Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy the Black Alado Twin. So welcome to the video guys. So this is one of our project sites that we are working on, and this is the two new concrete mixing machine that we use on our projects. Whenever you put us on one or any of these your building projects, these are the kind of machines that I'll be using to mix the concrete. Like in this project now, we are all making the first floor, the decking for the first floor roof here. So we are using this kind of machine to mix our cement and sand properly. Yeah. So this is what you get whenever you give us your building project to work on it for us, guys. We are going to mix everything properly, and it's going to um, you know it's going to come out very well. So guys, whenever you have a building project in Nigeria, make sure you contact us so we can handle it for you amazingly. Yeah, amazing.